Nah, sekarang ke skill 29. Recognize the organization. As you listen to each academic discussion in part B of the computer TOEFL test, you should be thinking about the organization of the passage because questions about the organization of the passage quite commonly accompany the academic discussions. The types of questions that test the organization of the passage are matching questions and ordering questions. Matching questions are used to test your understanding on the organization of classification passage that discusses the various types or categories of a given topic. Ordering questions are used to test your understanding of the organization of a process or chronological passage that discuss either how something is accomplished or a series of historical events. Look at example of part discussion with a classification organization followed by a matching questions. Jadi, di skill 29 Recognize the Organization ini bertujuan untuk melatih kemampuan untuk memahami bagaimana struktur atau organisasi informasi dalam sebuah diskusi akademik. Nah, ini tuh adanya di bagian listening part B, pada tes TOEFL listening. Nah, tujuan utamanya tuh diminta untuk mengenali bagaimana informasi dalam diskusi disusun, apakah melalui classification, mengelompokkan ke dalam kategori tertentu, atau proses organization, urutan proses, atau kronologi peristiwa. Nah, tuh kronologi. Terus jenis pertanyaannya tuh yang pertama ada matching questions, menguji pemahaman tentang klasifikasi. Misalnya mengelompokkan informasi ke dalam kategori tertentu berdasarkan deskripsi. Terus ada juga ordering questions, menguji pemahaman tentang proses atau urutan kronologi. Nah, lalu contoh pada diskusi tentang jenis-jenis batuan nih di sini. On the computer you hear, listen to a part of a discussion by student taking a geology class. Of the discussion is on types of rocks. Main 1. For the quiz today, we need to understand what the various types of rocks are. Woman, yes, the main categories of rocks are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Man 2. I think I understand igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are rocks that are formed from extremely hot magma. But what are the other two types of rocks? Main 1. Sedimentary rocks consist of older rocks and once living material. These materials are compounded into rocks with layers or strata and become sedimentary rocks. Woman. Now for the third kind of rocks, which are metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are rocks that were originally igneous or sedimentary but were transferred by intense heat or pressure. You think the passage classifies various type of rock. Jadi mengklasifikasi tipe dari batu tersebut. Nah, contohnya, what is the key characteristic of each this type of rocks? Nah, kita harus mencocokkannya dengan benar. Ada igneous rocks nih, terus sedimentary rocks, lalu metamorphic rocks. Nah, jadi strateginya tuh adalah perhatikan kata kunci seperti types, categories, steps, atau processes. Fokus pada hubungan antara konsep, apakah itu berupa klasifikasi atau urutan peristiwa. Oke, cukup sekian. Terima kasih telah mendengarkan.